Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this Sony wireless microphone, the model ECM-W2BT. It is suitable, this microphone, with the vlogging camera ZV-10. I have made a video about this camera, you can check the video right in the corner after the end of this video. Let's talk about some of the key points. Up to 200 meters, wireless sound collection with a high sound quality and high reliability. External mic input jack, able to pick up sound from both the subject and the videographer. Clear audio pickup from any direction. Effective noise suppression during audio transmission. Simple audio optimization for any source. Clear sound even outdoors in the wind. Stable transmission and audio recording between microphone and receiver. Dust and moisture resistant construction. Long battery life for extended shots more than 9 hours. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. The cable for charging the receiver and the microphone, it is about 40 cm, type A to micro USB. We have this bag, I like this bag, Sony logo. You can have your microphone, everything at the back. The windscreen. And it goes here. Nice, I like it. We have this clip, you can release. This is the receiver. We need to connect that at my vlogging camera, the ZV-10. There's the connection. It has a conveniently adjustable audio pickup modes, microphone only, receiver only, or a mix of both microphone and receiver. It is your choice. Just slide and it is very easy to adjust. At the other side we have the off switch, digital or mic out analog, off at the middle. We have protection against recording failures. A link LED light shows the status of communication between the microphone and the receiver, with a power LED light indicates remaining battery charge. And at this side we have the mic out, flexible connectivity with a 3.5mm stereo mini jack output, lets you connect the receiver to other cameras, PCs, digital voice recorders, or any device with an analog audio input. And there is the micro USB port for charging this unit. Just connect that here. You need a 5-volt power adapter or power bank. The power LED indicator is charging right now. And of course we have and the cable 3.5mm to 3.5mm. It is about 20 centimeters. Now let's leave that for charging. Now at the microphone, same here, we have the link and the power charge LED indicator. External mic input jack 3.5mm. You can connect an external microphone. And at the receiver you can use this cable here. And connect the receiver at your laptop, desktop, any device with output 3.5mm. And you can use your microphone for recording audio. Now at the microphone, we have the micro USB port for charging this unit, the clip, and of course we have the on-off switch, off, on, and here we can adjust from 0 decibel, 10 decibel and 20 decibel. Nice. Well, let's give a charge and that. I will use my own cable. It is only one cable included at the box. LED light is on, it's charging. Let's wait until fully charge everything and connect it to my camera. It takes about 2 hours for fully charging the receiver and the microphone. Now let's connect the receiver at my camera. Connection, it is here. Just slide and it locks. Perfect. And we have the microphone on and on. Let's have it at digital. And we can see we have the link, it is blue, and the power, it is light green. Perfect. Now I will perform some tests. I will test it with a windshield. You can install that here. Without the windshield. I will test it on 0 decibel, 10 decibel, 20 decibel. And of course, I will test it mix, that means receiver and the microphone, because and the receiver it has microphone, or mic only, sound from the microphone, or receiver, sound from the receiver. And we're gonna find out together which settings it is the best for audio recording. And of course the clip. You need to have this microphone from your mouth, let's say about 20 to 30 centimeters. Find the right position, most suitable for you, and have it on you. And of course, add the settings. Here at the microphone settings, we don't have a microphone settings right now. Audio record level, unavailable with the currently connected external microphone. All the settings you want to adjust, you can do that from the receiver and the microphone. The microphone can be positioned close to the speaker's mouth with a clip. The omnidirectional mic capsule also helps to pick up your voice clearly wherever it's coming from. So there is no need to worry about which way the unit is facing. Effective noise suspension during audio transmission, unlike conventional analog audio transmission. You'll never need to worry about the cable signal interference, just pair the microphone with a compatible SONY camera. An attenuator function lets you easily adjust recording levels appropriately to match the source. Simply flip a switch to reduce the level of very loud sounds or amplify quiet ones for optimized audio levels. Stable transmission between microphone and receiver. Qualcomm low latency Bluetooth codec is used for transmission between the microphone and the receiver units, ensuring low latency and undiminished audio quality. It helps avoid the stress of having to re-record audio due to the interruptions in the recorded sound. Stable audio recording thanks to the capacity twice as large as with the conventional setups. The improved wireless connectivity greatly reduces the risk of interruption to the audio stream. Clear sound even outdoors in the wind. The unit comes with a windscreen allowing comfortable recording when shooting outside. Just attach the windscreen to the mic and it effectively reduces wind noise as well as breath noise for clear and stable sound even when shooting outdoors on a windy day. In a location with good visibility without obstacles, communication is possible at up to 200 meters, allowing greater flexibility in camera and audio setups. Long battery life for extended shoots. There is no need to worry about battery life, even during a day of extended outdoor shooting. Thanks to the long battery life, when paired with cameras which supports power supply, you can shoot up to 9 hours wirelessly. Dust and moisture resistant construction. With its moisture and dust resistant design, the microphone is set up for comfortable outdoor shooting. Now let's connect the receiver at my desktop. Mic output, analog, and add the microphone. Microphone on and all the time at 10 decibel. Easy probability. The connector protects holder included with microphone can be used to carry the receiver and microphone together as one unit. Now add the mix. The holder is designed to make it easy to use the receiver and microphone in combination. And now only add the receiver. And it also functions as a handy storage unit when you want to take the microphone with you somewhere. And with the recording on my PC, I think I have my final conclusions. For sure, the best way to use indoors the mic is on 10 decibel, it has more clear sound. For outdoors with a windscreen, it's better to use the 20 decibel. All the time I was wearing the mic 25 centimeters from my mouth. And definitely it is a great way to use into your PC or any device with a 3.5mm jack. For me it was more clear on 10 decibel. And with that saying, my viewers, this is the end of the video. On my next video, don't miss the shooting grip with a wireless remote commander from Sony. That's why subscribe, hit the notification bell and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.